Alright, everybody, question number 1. 10 friends try a diet that is claimed to reduce weight. Okay, they claim it. They each weigh themselves before starting the diet and after a month on the diet, which with the following results. Okay, A. Determine the unbiased mean and standard deviation of the losing weight. So that means lose. What does lose means? Let's say here we have a mean difference, right? Lose means the difference weight before minus weight after, right? What are we going to do? We are going to go to the... Okay, I will delete this one first a second. Yep, okay. Write it down the list 1. This is the weight before. List 2, this is the weight after. And then go to the list 3 here. And then option, list 1 minus option, list 2. Do you want me to repeat? Just go back 5 seconds before, okay? Alright, then click. Here is the weight lose. The A is just asking what is the mean and the standard deviation of it, okay? I need to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Go to the calculation. Make sure the set, go to the set, and then the first one is going to calculate the list 3, right? Okay. First variance. So what is your mean? This is the sample mean, 1.81. The sample standard deviation. So sample standard deviation is, okay, 1.96. Please write it down, all the numbers. Maybe you are going to need this. That's why it's much better to write all the numbers down. Okay. So this is A is done. B. State suitable hypothesis for testing whether or not this diet causes a mean lose in weight. So they claim that it works, right? Then if they are claiming, this is the alternative hypothesis. They said the mean difference is, what do you think? Greater than, less than, or equal to 0? If it works, think about it. So before and after, you subtract them. What do you think? The difference is going to be 0, greater than 0. They claim it works. If it works, of course, the difference is going to be greater than 0. How about the null hypothesis then? The mean difference is going to be equal to 0. All right, this is also done. Determine the value of a suitable statistic for testing your hypothesis. What test is this? T-test. Because we have a sample. Okay, how? Right, go to the test, T-test, one sample T-test, and from the list, and your alternative hypothesis greater than mean 0, the mean null hypothesis means, and null hypothesis is the mean is equal to 0, and then from the list 3. All right, what is the thing I'm worried about here? Only the p-value. Okay, look at your p-value. The p-value is gonna be, okay, the p-value is, you see this minus 3, that means 0.00864. 0.00864. So alpha is 0.01. What do you think? Are we going to reject the null hypothesis or accept the null hypothesis? So the p-value less than alpha, that means it's in the rejection area, right? So we reject null hypothesis, reject. So alternative hypothesis, accept. That means this diet works. Actually, this is here, but no problem. Okay, how do you write them down when you have your test? Test, okay, T-test, and then from the list variable, okay, and then the p-value. That's it. I think those are, oh, this is the most important one. The mean is, okay, greater than mean 0. Mean 0 is equal to 0. Okay. All right, the last question, what it says, calculate the confidence interval for the mean lose this diet what we need to do, go to the interval t, one sample. So please write it down every single step. Interval, okay, data from the list, okay, C level, confidence level is 0.966. Okay, list 3, it's not that much important, so that's it. Click and write it down, the answer. The lower one is equal to 0.257. This is your confidence interval for 96.6%, 3.363. That's it. I hope it's understood.